Rogue, where the hell have you been, man? Been recovering from a snake bite. From a snake that I should never have allowed into my life. I've had to take off some time to make some big changes. Don't worry about snakes, Rogue. There's way too many of them out there. I hear you, man. When you give your trust to someone, you do so with open arms. Isn't that giving someone the opportunity to show the very best parts of themselves? I've had to look backwards, and unfortunately, all the signs were there. This betrayal was always going to happen. Rogue, look at it like this. Snakes always abuse trust. And they do you a favour. They end up removing themselves from your life. They can't hide their true intentions for long. Learn from it. Know your worth. Stick to your morals. Pick up your camera and get back out there. You grow from this, Rogue. How do you know this? For the same reason you do. I heard about this church on an island that's only accessible at low tide. The problem is, when I got here, the water was super high, zero phone reception, and no one about to ask, is the water rising or not? Fuck. I better turn back.
You know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna head across, see how far I can get. Wish me luck.
Looks to be about 150 metres away or so. Waist deep waters at worst. There she is. Dry land. I'll send the drone up to mark the water level. Level noted. I'll keep checking back at the level, make sure I don't get stuck. Wet cheeses. It's gonna be a soggy explore, that's for sure. Easy now, Insta spam. So my Explore Lightroom edits are about to launch next week. I guess I'm at that stage of life where I just want to give something back. So every time I release a point of view video, I'm going to run alongside a short and quick and easy to follow Lightroom audio and visual tutorial. So make sure you subscribe, hit the ding ding ling-a-ring, and I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Hope you enjoy the edits. Peace. It's going to be quite a way back if the water's still rising, especially with all this camera gear. Don't know. Is it coming in? I wonder if this donation box gets emptied as regularly as my nuts. Alright, it's not that funny. For fuck's sake, just trying to lighten the mood. I also get to explore urban locations, so feel free to follow me to see a mixed bag of explores.
absolutely caught in the rain. Just gonna have to sit it out because I'm here and it's low tide. I'm not gonna get this opportunity again. So yeah, that's the route back to the shore. I really hope I don't get stranded on here. Pretty much blanket rain. I don't think it's gonna stop today. So I might have to bail on this. Check it out. Don't know if this is gonna work today, guys and girls. Woohoo! I'm bailing. Just as I was about to bail, it's come all right.
Those clouds look like they're about to take a piss, so I'm not sticking around. Let's pick up the pace. If you're a Star Wars fan, you will not want to miss my Andor location set Star Wars Explore. Go and check it out in my video list. This is the part of the world we're exploring today. We're going to circle around, flank the back, and check out what's on the lower level. All this shit gets covered by the sea. That's a wrap. Let's get off this island. Actually, before we go, let's get the shot to use for our colour grading tutorial that's out next week. I'm going to teach you guys and girls how to go from this to this. And this is how I'm going to roll from now on each episode. Every episode is going to come with a colour grading tutorial for Lightroom using the exact images that we shot for the episode. Follow me in short 5-minute tutorials to really learn how to get the cinematic creative look. As usual, massive thank yous to the music magician Mr. Nate Connelly for creating some bespoke tracks for today's episode. Peace.